Hello, my name is Mohsen. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Teflon on your CiMa-Pak manual tray sealer. This instruction applies to all three classic Model 2 and Model 3 manual tray sealer. Before you do anything, make sure you unplug the machine from the electricity and make sure that the plate is not hot. First step is to remove the top cover. To be able to do that, you need a flat screwdriver. You have to unscrew all 4 screws on the top. So you remove the top cover, put it aside, and that would be the first step. Now we're going to remove the Teflon out of the tubes. To be able to do that, you need to remove the screw. Slide it out to both sides. Put the new one back. And tighten the screw. That's it. All you need to do, you need to put the cover back and tighten the 4 screws we have here. That's it.